Here in one of Hammond's newer subdivisions at 44122 Covington Ridge, we find a 2-year-old home that has over 1,700 square feet of living space located on a corner lot. The home does feature a 2-car garage. As we come in the main entrance, you'll notice that the first room you reach is the family room. To the right is the kitchen, and behind that you'll find the dining area. To the left of the family room, you'll find the powder room. As we walk through the family room, you'll notice granite counters on the island and on the countertops with the cabinets. And at the far end of the family room, you'll find a large accent wall that really sets off the whole room. Over here to the left, we have the dining area. We have stainless steel appliances all throughout the kitchen. Now, as we move back through the living area, we come to the staircase on the left. We go up the stairs, and at the top of the landing, we find a nice, cozy little reading nook. Going down the hall, we find at the end of that hall a nice, full bathroom. To the left, a utility room with washer and dryer included. And then at the front of the house, overlooking the street, we find 2 bedrooms. The second one is really cute here. It's made up as a baby's nursery. Absolutely adorable. And then across the hall, back past the little reading nook, we go into the master bedroom. Very large, has plenty of room, holds a king-size bed with no problem. And then we move from there into the master bathroom, which does feature double sinks, more granite. We see a garden tub, a separate walk-in shower, and to the left of the shower, a very large walk-in closet. Back downstairs, we'll pass back through the open floor plan, going into the backyard where we will find a patio, covered, and a large backyard. In that backyard, you'll notice that there's a gate that opens up onto the side street as well. Nice, fenced in. So if you have any questions about this home, give Petra Harper at Watermark Realty a call.